Today I'm going to show you how to make a bushcraft candle out here in the woods. So I've cut a small piece of tree branch here. Then I'll be splitting it into quarters, just like you would with a Swedish torch. So now I have 4 equal sections. With each one of these, I'll shave a little off the inside corner, but only about half the length of them, leaving the other half intact. So when you put them back together, the top half will be hollow, the bottom half will be solid. Then I'll tie some twine around it using the constrictor knot. That way I can really tighten it down. It'll get tighter and tighter the more you crank down on it, but it won't loosen. Then I'll trim off the excess and use some of this as a wick. Then I'll be using resin from this spruce that I found earlier. First I'll coat the wick with it, then I'll shove the rest into the candle. This resin is very flammable, so it's a good substitute for wax. I'll bury the wick while keeping a little bit of the wick exposed, just like a normal candle. Then I'll give it a light. Now you have a long-lasting, pine-scented candle, and you can blow it out and relight it anytime you need it. Today I'm going to